the prices of gold and silver will continue to dump like this, or this is the end of the bearish dump and they will continue to pump again in the future. What exactly is going to happen, and what I am thinking that this has to happen for gold and silver plus crude oil as well, that will the prices of crude oil finally pump from here or they will keep on dumping. I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Starting off with crude oil, and you can clearly see after the price of crude oil did a breakdown of this important support zone from $61.8 to 63.1, the prices of crude oil dumped all the way down till here 55.3. I was expecting minimum the prices of crude oil to dump till 55.5, but it's okay, it dumped till 55.9 only. This was exactly over here $55.9, and the prices of crude oil reversed from here. Well, because there is a lot of bearish pressure which got exhausted and the bulls entered in the market. As you can clearly see, after that the prices of crude oil again pumped. Buyers struggle to break this level towards the upside. See, this is a very important zone for crude oil. Right now it is a resistance zone, very important resistance zone for crude oil right now, and it failed to break out above it in the first try. Let's see if it does a breakout above it or not. I am personally expecting the price of crude oil to dump again towards the downside in the future, but the prices of crude oil most of the times are depend on the fundamental analysis, all the macroeconomic news happening throughout the globe, rather than mainly on technical analysis. But talking about technical analysis, I am expecting the prices of crude oil to dump all the way down till here, minimum till here $55.5 level, to make a new lower low. Because as you can clearly see, the prices of crude oil is in a downtrend. If I remove all the drawings, you can see right now the price of crude oil is in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So a new lower low has to be made, which is possible when the prices of crude oil go below $55.15 level. So I think that this dump was incomplete and still the market can dump again towards the downside. But obviously personally I'm not taking any trade right now. If the prices of crude oil again goes below $55.2 level, again dumps towards the downside, then I will take a very risky long position trade. But before that I'm not taking any trade at all, and let's see what happens. You already know I will be confident in trading crude oil when it goes above $65 level, or else for me it is still uncertain, and I'm not taking any trade right now in crude oil. I'm avoiding taking any trade. Alright, talking about silver and gold as well. So right now both of the assets, we saw an incessant pump towards the upside. A lot of, I would say, like plethora of buyers were included in this huge pump, and silver made a new all-time high of $54.4 level over here, exactly over here. And after that we have seen a dump towards the downside. Approximately it is 10% correction over here, 10, or I would say 14%. Right now it's still 11% dump. Well, to be quite honest, I'm still expecting the prices of gold and silver to dump a lot, because right now this is nothing for gold and silver. A dump, 11% dump is nothing, because you can clearly see this huge parabolic pump we have seen, and I'm expecting a minimum of $43, $44 over here. I'm expecting the prices of silver to dump till over here, and right now obviously this is just nothing at all. Also, if I draw a Fibonacci level live right over here, so I'm drawing a bullish Fibonacci from this low to this high to find a bearish level right over here. So as you can clearly see, the prices of crude oil can dump till here as well, $0.618 level at $38 level, $38 to $41. As you can clearly see, these are the important Fibonacci levels. This whole zone from 0.5 over here to 0.618, this is a very important level for crude. But as I said, minimum I'm expecting the prices of crude to dump till $43 level only. Personally, I'm not taking any trade right now in silver. and not in gold also, because right now it is in middle of nowhere. You have no support or no resistance which you can trust or you can trade on. And silver and gold right now are again very uncertain, just like crude oil. And this year especially, and I'm believing the next 3 years also, the prices of gold, silver and crude will be more uncertain. They will depend more on fundamental analysis and macroeconomic news rather than the technical analysis, and they will be a lot of volatile as well. I'm not taking any trade in gold and silver because there is no any level to take a trade on. You can trade over here the all-time high, but no one knows if it actually is a very good level to call it as a resistance or not. And right over here also, I mean, it's just in middle of nowhere. So going a long position over here or going a short position over here, both are very risky for me in gold and silver. Same is with gold over here as well. We have seen approximately same, I would say 10% dump towards the downside in the prices of gold, but right now this is nothing at all for gold, because you can clearly see the prices of gold pumped in a parabolic way towards the upside. And again, I am expecting the prices of gold to dump minimum $3,700 level, 3,760 approx. This is the level I am expecting the prices of gold to dump minimum. But again, if I draw a Fibonacci level from the bottom to the top over here, so if I consider this bottom to this top, I'm drawing a bullish Fibonacci for a bearish price target. So if I draw from here to here, you can see again exactly the same level, only from $3,750, as I said, exactly till $3,600 approximately. This whole zone is very important for gold, and I am expecting the prices of gold to minimum dump till this zone only. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if it dumps or not. But obviously right now I'm not taking any trade in gold. Again, same logic is with silver, same logic is with gold. There is no any levels to trust, no any levels to trade on right now, and I can't just go long and short over here like this. It is very risky. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my own analysis on gold, silver and crude oil. Right now for gold and silver, I am expecting the prices to dump in the future, in the next coming weeks or month. Mostly it depends on the news and how they react on the news. But still, after this huge parabolic pump, the buyers got exhausted. I'm still expecting the prices of silver and gold to dump towards the downside. My minimum targets, you already know, I've discussed it in my video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Personally, I'm not taking any trade right now. It is very risky to either go long or short on gold or silver, and it will be just unfathomable to believe that you are going in a long or short position right now. No financial advice, but obviously it is very risky to trade right now. And for crude oil also, I'm still expecting a dump towards the downside to trap retailers, because many retailers will now be believing that the prices of crude oil has to pump from here, since the prices of crude oil are dumping for the past, I don't know, like plethora of months. But still right now I am expecting the prices of crude oil to dump to trap some retailers. And well, to be honest, it all depends on the news only, but according to the technical analysis, I'm expecting the prices of crude to dump again, to complete their level, to make a new lower low. But let's see, it can be a starting of a new uptrend as well. No one knows, the prices can actually reverse from here towards the upside as well. That's why I'm not taking any trade right now. I'll only take a trade at a very good level of support or resistance, and I've already discussed it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.